What if I told you that you could use GPT-4 for free, without a subscription, without a credit card, and without complicated steps? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple trick that lets you unlock GPT-4's full power in just a few clicks. This method works on both computers and smartphones. Go to the website poe.com. That's spelled POE.com. You can also search for Poe AI on Google if you prefer. When the page opens, click on the Login button in the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. You can sign up using your Google account, your Apple ID, or an email address. If you choose Google or Apple, just follow the steps and approve the login. If you choose email, type in your email address and then enter the code that is sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of different AI bots you can talk to. Look on the left side of the screen. You will see names like GPT-4, Claude Opus, Gemini, and others. Click on the one that says GPT-4. This is the free version of GPT-4 offered by Poe. It may be called GPT 4.1 if you're watching this in 2025. Now you can start typing your questions or tasks in the message box. For example, you can ask it to write emails, explain code, or even help you with your homework. Poe is fast and very simple to use. You get access to some of the best AI models without needing a paid subscription. The responses are quick and helpful. If you want to switch between different AI models, you can do that easily. Just select a different name on the left side. Some models may have limits, but GPT-4 on Poe usually works well for daily tasks. That's it. Now you can use GPT-4 for free anytime using Poe.